So what we're doing is we're doing a little install on the 2019 Subaru Ascent. We're putting on the roof racks. So we'll start off with the car. Boom, there it is. Once you open up the packaging, you're gonna notice that the bars are two different sizes. After reading the instructions, the front one is a little bit longer. So you wanna make sure that you put the front one, which is a little bit bigger on the front, and the little one on the back. It also comes with a torque tool. Make sure that you grab that out of there as well. And you'll need a step stool because it is a taller car. I started off by loosening off the bolts on all of them. You'll notice that once you pop these down, it opens up, makes it a little easier to put on. All right. Based on the instructions, you want to put one, probably the front one towards here, or anywhere within here, or the back one anywhere between here. I surf, so I'll be putting the front one on the front for better stability and more towards the back. Also for bikes as well, but that'd be based on the measurements of your bikes. Make sure during the install you realize that it does have an arrow pointing towards the front. You want to make sure to install it, arrow is pointing towards the front. Pretty easy. Once on top of the car, you can tell it just slides right on. Slide that in there. Again, quick slide on. And then you begin to tighten this down with the torque wrench. Just making it a little easier, just spinning this in. And once you put it where you want, we can start torquing it, which I'll show. All right, so we got the torque wrench in as we're torquing. That's good stuff. You want to spin it, and on the bottom here, there's a little line. So when you start getting a little tight, you want to pay attention to it. So you'll notice as you're doing it, there's the 8mm. We're at the tightening process right now. It's a little blurry, but yep. All right, so first one up. Now it's number 2. So back up on top of the car. I'm gonna go ahead and place the rear one. Again, make sure it's pointing, it says front. All right, so we got the bar on top again. Once again, as I turned them like I did last time. All right, final product after getting it all torqued down at 8mm. Car is all done.